Hello friends, welcome to US Tech Info. Today we are going to discuss about the topic the new OpenAI ChatGPT version 4. So friends, everyone, we are going to discussing what is this new AI in the current scenario and how it is reflecting to other organization, how it will work, and what are the source that we can see. I'm just going to show you brief explain about how this chat gpt is going to work in the real life. So basically, I'm a recruiter, so I just need a few details of the job descriptions or the company list, or who are the prime vendors, or the which companies are working to what. This kind of information basically every recruiter will search, and who are the primary vendors and who are the primary clients, right? uh, by seeing all these things, every recruiter will check. Even he is working with some client and he need the information about that company. So for that we need to check each and every step. So we are going to include that. We just want to see, I just gone through your how to uh, create the tool, how it is working to. First, you what you have to do is you need to go with the Google, because this is only Bing is going to updating the new version of uh, the browser. If you are already registered with ChatGPT, if you are in your waiting list, sure you will get the login details and upgrade your information. So I'll just show you how the GPT works. So this is how the ChatGPT is going to. When I just opened the ChatGPT, how it is working with the basic beta version, I just came through. We have number of ChatGPT videos and the logins and everything. I'll just show you how it is going to be. Okay. So I already log in with you with the ChatGPT. So I'm coming from the starting onwards. So when you open this chat.openai.com, so it will ask you either to sign up with your account or to log in with your account. Well friends, I already log in with my account and I sign up. I just went to the waiting list and I came back with the login details and everything. Now it is working for me. I'll show you. So I already updated all my information over there, so that's why it's showing to. Here we can see there are few things and examples have been given the chat gpt here. uh, Explain quantum computing in simple terms. See how we are searching in Google, like if you need some location or if you need some fruit which is related to health benefits or whatever it is, that we are going to Google and we are searching here, right? We are going to Google. Here we are searching health benefits, health food. So we are getting a lot of food supplements and list of the information, all these information that we are going to get it, right? So with the same way, where without going to there, so what AI will check, it will check and clarify before giving the answers. So once if you're done here, it will come into the new chat GPT. Here what you have to do is, you need only by asking the questions you will get an answers. I'll show you here. What are the top 50 companies in USA? So it will take some time. See immediately, you see, I just asked what are the top 50 companies in the USA market. So it is giving the answers. So what are the top most 50 companies that it's going to give us? So that would be help us by connecting with them, including with revenues and all these things also. It will give you a complete update. So we need to wait one more minute. yeah, see, once if I given the complete information, I just ask the question in ChatGPT, what are the top 50 companies in USA? It has given the top 50 companies with what is the revenues that has been waiting for. Even 559.2, it's come to the revenue, US $1 billion business. Okay, who are the first, who are the second, and based on that, we are getting all this information in ChatGPT. Okay, because when you are going there, and even here also, we have the different aspects of information that we are getting from uh, thinking and giving the information. Okay, so I'm going to how it will be helpful to the HRs. So most of the HR, if you want something else, you need to go search some website or the blogs. We need to check it, right? So see, when you come to ChatGPT, when you ask the question, it will give you the complete information. I'll just give you the information to about HR. Okay, how to create a policy in the company as a HR. See, when I ask how to create a policy in the company as a HR, so with this, it is giving the benefits. I mean, it is giving some kind of points how we need to approach. What is the way that we can get it? What is the new ways that we can see? If you follow all these steps, see, creating a policy in a company as a HR professionals involves several aspects. Here is a guideline how to create a policy in a company as a HR. So, as when we are pursuing our MBAs or when we are pursuing our MCAs, so if you want to do something, some projects, or if you want to get some kind of informations, it is very hard to get that information. But nowadays, what is happened? It's completely changed, drastically changed in the market. So how these people are changing this market, and the technology is going to change each and every time with a different new ways. See, before we are using the hard disk computers and all these things. Now it completely it has came with the cloud. Now before we are going to searching for a search engine. Now chat APIs, different types of AI are appeared in the market. Based on their business purpose, they can use those chat APIs. We have different types of APIs. I'll show you later that. We'll see. So this is what how we can do the step by step process. If you need to include uh, complete information, that we can get it within no second of time. As a recruiter, this is for basic information I just given to you as a HR what kind of things that you need to do. Here I am raising one more question based on the payroll. How to create a payroll to employees. See, this is giving complete information based on step by step process that we can it can be helpful to any person without going any somewhere else to search the information to get the updated and what has to be followed. See, this is the best way that we can get that information. Collect the employees information. Collect basic employee information such as full name, address, social security number, and employment status. Paycheck frequency, different how the often will be paid, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. See, basically what is happening here, we just taking completely into a US format. Okay, when you want to come to the Indian market, you have to mention the same employers from India. See, if you ask a question within no time, it is giving the complete information what is the step that you need to go, and what is the way of step by step process that you have to do. All these things are comes to the chat gpi. This is how it is working for a HR. See, within no of time, because this is the way which it can helpful to the companies and the HR department, financial departments also. See, even financial departments are looking for something else. Even we are hearing from different platforms like the code for software engineers, how to write basic code in Java. Did you see it? Did you see it? This is how the GPT is working right now in the market. That is why I liked it. This is a complete way of learning. See, by seeing here, we are. It's amazing, you know. No way we are getting the codes because of why many companies are afraid by taking the chat GPT. Even if you see, even in China, the complete chat GPT has banned due to on this. They can get a kind of information from different platform. So they have implementing their own artificial intelligence within the country, which it doesn't want to show up of anything. So it's their security. So they completely checking our artificial intelligence. So if I want to work, or if you want to learn something else here in chat gpt, this is very useful way. So if I am a I don't know about Hindi, I just want to learn Hindi. How to learn Hindi? Wow, this is awesome. So within no time, or these seconds, it's how mostly this taking very less time to taking the information and giving complete the structured by step process that we can learn easily. So this is how the chat gpt is working right now. Even for any other software individual, the testers, even for the testing people, or if they have the questions to ask, yes, this is very helpful, guys. I'll just show you here how to test a software in the company, and how to write test cases. Have you gone through? This is all the ways if you are going through into different. See, even the people wants to learn something else with differently. So this is chat gpt will help you out in complete your organization. I'm sure here we have different platforms here. This is my free chat gpt which I'm using here. But if I want to upgrade, so if I want to upgrade, I can pay with the upgrade plans with $20 per month. So mostly it will take you, the billing would be annually. Okay, so mostly $120, $240. So fast and accurate information, that I'm not saying complete 100% accurate, that we don't know, but it's giving the information which you need to learn by using implementing in a different ways. So I love this chat gpt. So and I'm the same feeling that from your end. Please like and subscribe my channel. Have a great day.